Hi friends, welcome to Poorna Grahini channel. Hot fluffy pancakes with eggs are an all-time favorite recipe. You can make it for breakfast as it is a healthy and nutritious recipe for children and adults. Now coming to the ingredients, you will require 2 eggs, half a cup of refined flour or maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and some oil for greasing. Okay, now coming to how to prepare it. Sieve the refined flour and baking powder, keep aside, beat the eggs in a mixing bowl with a handheld whisk, add the powdered sugar and beat again till the mixture turns fluffy. Add the oil and whisk again. Add the sieved refined flour and baking powder gradually. Mix well, add the milk, whisk well till you get a thick flowing batter as shown in the figure. Heat a tawa or griddle, grease it with a little oil, pour a ladle of the batter in the center of the tawa so that it flows to form a circle. Do not spread it out manually. Cook in low to medium flame covered with a lid for at least 1 to 2 minutes. This is how it looks once you remove the lid. You can serve it as such if you like to have it like this. Else, you flip it over and cook on both sides so that the upper layer has a crust on both the sides. Once it's done, you can serve it hot with honey or maple syrup. Please do try this recipe and enjoy the art of cooking. Please visit my blog Poorna Grahini for more such recipes. Thank you for watching this channel and please subscribe to Poorna Grahini channel.